Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz and today I wanted to share with you my newest Banana Republic haul. And I have gotten quite a few hauls lately, so I actually don't really recall what is in this box today. So we're gonna unbox it together. So none of this will be pre-steamed, none of this will be styled. I am going to give you first impressions on the quality, the colors, the fit, and really just my overall 2 cents of the whole item. And there will be lookbooks to come to follow, so be sure to subscribe so you're notified when those do come out. Those will be in the works. But if you're interested to see what I picked up and my thoughts on it, then just keep watching. All right, ladies, I went a little crazy, which I always do at Banana Republic. So I noticed, it came back to me, that this is Banana Republic Factory and they were having a super good sale. So when I went to exchange some items from my last haul, this is what happened. This is what happens to me a little bit sometimes here and there. But some really cool items. So let's get into the try on. All right, ladies, the first ones are these beautiful kind of faux wrap looking blouse tops. And I picked them up in the ivory and the black, both in small. Now, if you saw my last Banana Republic Factory haul, I actually had this ivory one and I had it in a medium. Now it does have a very deep V, which can be good. You can pin it for a professional look. You can let it just go for a kind of sexy out, evening out look. And I thought maybe it's too big, maybe I should size down. So I decided to do the small and I really liked that one. So I wanted it to fit perfectly. So I tried the small and I was like, let me try it in another color too. If you like that sexy look, if you're looking for a wrap blouse, it really is a beautiful top and I could see different ways to style it. Okay, the next three are some basic white tee kind of tops, just some basics to have on hand, but some cute things about them that I wanted to share. So I'll put these kind of all together. And the first one is just this nice 3/4 length sleeve top. It is pretty fitted with a crew, kind of a bigger crew neck, and it does have light ribbing on it. So a nice basic, and I like to pick up a lot of white tops because I like wearing white all year round. And so this one, I would say, has kind of a lighter weight. It is, I wouldn't say it's sheer, but it isn't the thickest. This would be good layered under a sweater or a jacket, definitely in the fall or winter. And the second one is this long sleeve, kind of basic V-neck top. And it is a thicker material. So when I first felt it, I was like, wow, that's like really thick, which is nice when you have white. Because then it makes it less sheer. So this one is another great basic, just a nice thicker long sleeve, white top. And then the one that I have on also has a little variation on the V-neck, which I like, and it is long sleeve as well. It has a light ribbing with kind of variated sizes, which I really like. It's really comfortable. On these two white ones, I felt they would need to be tucked in or maybe even half tucked. I did get all of these in a medium, and I think it does give like a skimming effect. I don't like them real tight to show every roll and bulge. But so I would say maybe just go one size bigger, and then it has like a nice fit. This one is really soft, real lightweight, and I think looks nice. This was probably the only one I felt fine untucking too, because it kind of just hangs off and skims the front of your pants nicely. And yeah, so three great white top, kind of basic white top options if you're looking. All right, ladies, and next up is Banana Republic's Forever Sweater, which I am a big fan of. So if you've never tried it, definitely I recommend that you try it. They're really soft, like almost a cashmere type of feeling, not furry, and they're not cashmere, but they're just like a nice, lightweight. I mean, I wear these like I wear t-shirts. So I just think they're super comfy. You can pop them on with almost anything. Just, I would consider them a basic, and then they were on sale. So what they do is they change colors for different seasons. So it's the same sweater, but they just have different colors for the different seasons. So if you ever see a color that you love, definitely pick it up. I picked this up in I'm not sure what it's called on the site, but basically this tan color and then a brown. So two great fall colors, and these are just so great for layering. You can wear them under, you know, any third layer during the fall and winter, and then just as a top the rest of the year. So a really versatile piece and like almost a closet staple. Okay, and next up is this brown suede button-down top. Which I think this is probably the softest faux suede I've ever felt. I mean, it is buttery, silky, luxuriously soft, and it's mostly polyester. So this is like the best feeling polyester thing I think I've ever touched. It's that amazing. And I love it. So I picked this up in a small, and that is too small on me. I love the feel of this, and I love a good third layer. This could be worn as a third layer or as a shirt. So I am going to trade this in and pick up a medium because I love the color. I love the like cut. The buttons are brown. It does have these kind of, I guess, pleats up here to make it a little more fitted looking. And then it doesn't have any buttons on the sleeve. It does have a seam down the back. And a couple more of the matching pleats, so to give more of a skimming look, which I love. So I'm gonna size up in this. I think this is beautiful and it feels amazing. So I really like this one, but I made a mistake in sizing down. I would say order your true size and you'll probably be good. All right, and the next item I picked up are these low-rise boot cut jean. It says slim through the hip and thigh full length. I picked these up in a 29, which they're saying is a size 8, and tall. So I am tall, I'm 5'8", and I've always had to order long or tall wherever I go, but it's so funny. At Banana Republic, their regular fits me, and I always forget that I don't need to order tall there, and I always have to end up, I need to write a note to myself. Okay, so these feel amazing, just like the suede top. They are doing the suede so nice. So when I was wearing these, I just want to keep feeling them. So I'm gonna trade these in and get a normal size because these are too long. They're too long even for me. But you know, they are low rise, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I do have a shorter torso, so a lot of low rise looks like medium rise on me. And so that is something also to know, that just because something says, you know, high rise, medium, or low rise, it depends on your body shape. So don't be afraid to go out of your box and try things on. That's how, you know, you find stuff and realize how a new cut or style is flattering on you. Just try it out. Just try it out. So these are super different, but these just look so cozy and cool for the fall and winter. I hope that they still have some because I definitely want to get these in the regular size. So, oh, I wanted to show you. Not that I would wear these together. I guess they are the same. They kind of look like they are the same color, but they kind of don't. So I thought they were both brown, but the pants have almost like a cool purple tinge, in my opinion. That's what it looks like to me. So I'm not sure, but I wouldn't wear them together anyway, but just wanted to point that out in case you were planning on doing that. Okay, and now I have been on the lookout for a faux satin skirt. So I saw this one online and I was like, ooh, you know, I love Banana Republic and they do so many things so well. I was like, let me try out their satin skirt. I'm not sure if that's what they call it. I think that's what I thought it was online. So I picked this up in an 8 tall. It has a side zipper and the fit is really flattering. I think it's really pretty. It doesn't really give me a satin vibe though. It's just like a regular skirt. So if you have been looking for a satin skirt without shine, I would say that's what this seems like. And I would warn that it is a bit sheer. So you would want to wear a slip under this, but the cut is really beautiful. The fit is lovely. It has one slit that I think is done tastefully. It looks really nice. And then I love like creams, beiges, tans, that whole, I love doing like monochromes in that color family. So I was kind of thinking of that like almost with this or something like this. And but I don't know. I don't know on this one. There's things I like about it and then things that I don't, but it is a option. Okay, and the next piece that I picked up is this long duster. So I have truly been on the lookout for a duster. I kind of always am, really all this stuff. I'm always looking for something super specific. And so I order it from lots of different places to find the 1 or 2 or 3 good ones. So a lot come through here and they may not work for me, but they may work for you. So I always do like to share them anyway. And now I have been on the lookout for a black duster. So I saw this one from Banana Republic and the length is great. It does have these side slots and it is a bit sheer, which, you know, really doesn't matter because it would be a 3rd layer. And I did pick this up in a small and I would say a medium would be better, but the sleeve length is too short for me. So more than even the slits, which I was kind of on the line about, the sleeve length is not for me. But if you want something lightweight, you don't like a long sleeve, or maybe you're looking for something to layer over, you know, I know like having the sweater stick out is a look, so something like that. And then of course for black, the slits aren't bad if you wear a lot of black bottoms or something, so you have a little more movement in the top to kind of break up at least all the black in your outfit. So it's a good option if you are on the lookout for a duster as well. All right, ladies, next I picked up this gorgeous navy blue shirt dress. And I will tell you, I love it. I love it. I think it might be my favorite thing. First of all, I already love shirt dresses, and my all-time favorite shirt dress of all the shirt dresses that I have is from Banana Republic. So I'm always gonna try the ones from there. I do not have a navy one, and I love a shirt dress because it can be like business professional, it can be casual, or it can be dressy. So if you wear it with heels or some boots, it can be dressy. For work, you can wear loafers, you can wear boots, and then you can even just put on some slides in the spring and, you know, a nice sun hat. So I just love it. It's so versatile. It can be dressed up, can be dressed down, but the fit of these ones are just so lovely to me. So I picked this up in a small. I like how it fits. I love that they make the belt detachable so that I can use this belt or choose my own. The sleeves do roll up and they have a tab. It has pockets, which I always love. The buttons are in the same color as the dress, so there's no competing colors. You can add whatever color you want to this, which I love. It's a great length. It's not too sheer. I would still wear a slip with it, but it's not super sheer. I think against your body it's fine. And it has some pleating in the back here, but the back is pretty plain. Just an all around good dress. Oh, I did want to say this is made out of polyester, but it almost is trying to feel like silk. It doesn't feel like silk, and it's not silky, but it's like a real light moving material. So even more lightweight than that skirt, which I would say is kind of trying to be satin, but that's not either. So they're not to the entire intended purpose, but they both feel great. They're a nice lightweight, and just a nice fit. So overall, love this shirt dress. So definitely a keeper. All right, and next up is this white shirt dress, which again, I'm always on the lookout for white items because, you know, things just happen to them. I would say I keep mine a long time, but it's so hard to find white stuff because it can't be too sheer, you know, and it needs to fit a certain way because so it isn't see-through, even if it's not see-through, and it can get dirty and it can go through washing issues and everything. But even through all that, I still love white so much that I have a lot of it and I wear a lot of it. And so I'm always on the lookout for more white things. And so I saw this white shirt dress from Banana Republic and I was like, ooh, I've got to try that on. And it is 100% cotton. It is like a thicker material. It's not lined, but it's still, you would need to wear a slip. The sleeves are full length, but they can be rolled up, no tab, no side slit pockets, but it has these kind of neat pockets in the front and they sit pretty flat. So those are kind of nice. The only thing that I was like, why would they do that is they put these like yellow buttons. Why didn't they make them white? I feel like this corners me into certain colors, which I don't like. The belt is removable. The length is okay. So I'm just like, I'm going to have to decide in editing. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. But if you are looking for a white shirt dress, I actually picked up my current favorite one from Amazon in the plus section. So that's another thing, like don't stay stuck to your sizes. Like if you say I'm a size 8 and you just get size 8 everywhere, that's not good. I jump all over the place and it depends on the item and the end fit that I'm looking for. And don't commit to a size. It doesn't matter. All the brands make different ones and it just matters the end look, not the number. That doesn't matter. So I'll link that one below too, under this one, so you can take a look. So if it's in stock, it sells out a lot. So anyway, I'll have to decide on this. I am in the market. I don't know. Let me know what you think. All right, ladies, that was such a fun haul. I love Banana Republic Factory so much. I always find so many great things there, and I'm so glad that you came along for this adventure. And it's like, to me, it feels like if we're friends out shopping and I'm trying stuff on and you're like, Liz, that looks good, or that doesn't look good, or I need to get that. And so it's just fun like that. So I love when you ladies comment and tell me you have something like this, or you really like that, or you like to style something this way or the other. It just really makes it seem like, you know, community, group of friends hanging out, which is absolutely how I feel and really why I started my whole channel. So I thank you. I really appreciate you coming by, hanging out with me. It was a fun time. I hope you had fun. I hope it was a bit informative and entertaining as well. And if you liked this video, be sure to check out these other two. I always find great things that I like and hope maybe you will like. So if you like my style, you like this kind of flair, check those out. But I hope that you come back and visit me in the next one, and I hope that you have a great day. I'll see you soon.